boat rodeo. Fin silk. I see one they call Goliath though. Nice. Camera now do the fish and justice. You have to see this today. One, yeah, queen one. Yeah, man.
Oh, yummy.
Queen and grouper. This setup. Boomba. This setup. Yeah. Monster was there, right? Excellent. Excellent. Yeah, man. So, welcome back, you know, to another epic video on Fishing Ready 876 says it. Yeah, man, take a pill, man, because you're gonna need it.
Catch a queen snapper an idea.
Yeah. So we're at a different location. Is it? It's a dream catch? But yeah. So yeah, man, so we're at a different location today. Is it? I do some deep water line fishing, you know? Yeah, man, so we're outside again. Okay. Ready for you water, you know? Yeah. Get the blue ready. Father God for you good, you know?
Oh yeah.
Langsung right up sa sana.
Yeah, man. Catfish. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Come again, man.
That's soap. One flip, you know? One flash and you done, you know?
Push him over again, right? Push him over again. No, that's the lion. You can't go out, okay?
Lion.
Don't get rid of me as Sanjay, no? I'm a jump at it, no? Right? Say with lionfish, silk, jack, everything in the pot. This one time I broke on the pot, just like how I broke here now.
Yeah.
One of the lionfish float up and stick me right on my big finger, you see. I'm queasy up and I said, you're alright, man. You're slick after. I'm thinking, I'm going to be on my head. You can't hold it down, you could have one heart in it.
It's a beat too.
You see 4 injections, water spray off of me and like that on pipe. Everywhere we joke, water is around now. So. And me say hot, blow up on it, Dennis. So every daughter blow up on it. Me say no, it hot more, let it go. I don't know what to do with it. Because I'm racing high. Take it, towel cover it, me lift it up. Me cover it, me lift it up. I don't know what to do with it.
Am I bridging there?
Juke Kyle regular.
Yeah, Kyle said you keep regular. Alright.
Maybe you don't juke him real way.
When they learn, just a come
And
on.
then just come look like it.
Yeah, guys, you know?
More fish just naturally, I guess.
True. Yeah, man. Fishing ready till 6. Outside, you know? I go and do it. Yeah, man. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. That's it. For more videos. You see me as them forward.
Come back and start that. They can't have a woman. This boat, just step them out. Send them have a guy and go for every party. Yeah. Back in the days when I catch it, I'm going to catch man.
Eh?
See them yet?
No.
You didn't say nothing, no. I compare to how it used to.
I know.
Get in there.
You say it? You say it?
They didn't.
Oh, Jack.
Jack dead.
What part of mango they know that?
Oh, two of them. I drop out in the money.
The other one. Yeah, all right. And next one, the other one, but anyone we find me work with.
One you want out of this now.
One out of that. Anytime he come.
Beta.
Hold on.
Straight down Papa Care side.
Hey, man, wait it.
Leave it. You don't see how
Try party, right?
And then come up active till.
I want to touch a cycle now.
Yeah.
Anytime you go in and to rub it, you're supposed to let them have female and shoot.
The rope?
Yeah, put it line.
Back where you're outside there, you know.
Hold on.
Put your finger now.
Wait, you say he'll a good bait too?
Nice.
Biggest
one I've ever seen. Biggest one I've ever seen.
You want to see one big bubbles, me say yes.
Yes, sir. Something right up, sir. Something right up.
Something right up.
Are you kill out it? Let me pick me up now.
so they're gonna get so big.
Yeah, wow, you see, big till him out black.
Can't even move that with this thing.
Use it pick apart. So now this is it.
Thank you.
Bun fin that, you know? Yeah, you see it? And I like her. I never seen. Yeah, I never seen that.
One little black eye. And if you...
You want to push up
One
the
thing.
back.
Catching at it.
Nice.
See fish boy?
Yeah.
I'm not catching that much.
And this not catch up
Better go
much.
on with it.
This is nothing.
I thought I will show you how to do that.
That's nice.
Rich man, them money are there.
Like you can live in it too.
Of course, what I say, watch you. You want somebody can lie down, you know.
Yo, if so you catch them then the money, other man start deep water fishing.
Yeah, man, peeps up at there. Active. Is it? I'm gonna see them soon. Active. Well, 6. Is it? That a nice.
Biggest step the biggest deep water start I've ever seen.
We catch one up so we 8 pound, you know.
Bigger than this.
Yeah. But I just goal there. That a bun fin.
Normally small up so.
Bun fin is normally small.
Silk. Silk.
Silk.
One a bun fin.
Bonfin silk. I see man they call Goliath though. Silk or Goliath.
Catch one time gone away. Why you can't get hold of them?
Camera now the fish and justice. You have to see this, you don't know. Naked eyes. This is way about 7, 8. About 5 pounds, you see this away. Look for 5 pound worth of fish. size. One them big. Nothing.
Size I'm a little steam, you know. They meat firm.
Yeah. That stone throw away.
Them this are shallow pot.
Yeah.
The one there. This one on the shallow pot. The one on the edge pot.
Close, man. Yeah. There's a banana nest there, so too.
You know catch on this. Big guy one.
And you really want some more gun?
Mad. Like in my service.
That is the way sell fried fish and we pack them in the back hospital.
Itch. You eat sometimes.
The more the deep out of the each. And pull them.
Try them and pull them.
So we run out the deep water line them, you know. Run them out water. So we're going for them. So the first one bunk, you know.
And the next one I'll be seeing.
Can do it, man. You can do it. Beautiful. So boy, so them berry. Yeah, that's selfish, right? I say from a fisherman, you would the selfish. Javi.
And then someone see my business. Yeah, they just catch it. Oh, you that just go eat.
Let me see one fish, man. You search for best part time for bite.
Yeah, it's every day, so if you don't fish. Fish hours every day.
You can't eat fish at all. I mean, jackfish, me still feel bad, see me.
Go full of pepper or something.
Something wrong with them, man.
Yeah, pepper.
You mad?
Or vinegar.
Well, that good, I right? Business ain't no money.
Can't eat fish. Can't eat fish, brother.
Good to do it. Every day for breakfast, I eat fish. Lunch,
Yeah?
breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Fish. All the different kind of fish.
And you have double sinker down there? I want to put one double one pan this.
Raw fish, but that's not.
I want to put one double one pan this.
Feel like I eat raw fish, I eat chicken.
Huh? Yeah.
Nice, yeah. I don't even put it on there. So get light to reach and get to it, see it.
I know why, because I always find.
This one,
Can't wait fish out. Yeah, man, so we are going to go try the first one, you know. Let's see. Money. I'll go try deep line. Yes, young man, take your time. No race.
First, I do it now, Danny. You say first.
I'm not that.
First, I come out and this stuff.
How you feel? Eh? Eh?
Not funny. If you see a job, you know, so not funny.
Is it not that funny? Yeah, man. It's not even half a bag.
Danny don't say I prescribe you know.
So rich, man. So after the first try, everything go up nil. So set it back again and go check the other one.
This can't go on this one.
I found one.
Just pass it to
You set off already, so I'm not busy with you.
Yeah, especially if you penny. This good.
Treat them. You can't pin it two, you can.
Only two, we are 2 or 3. Balance yourself good. You know, see me.
No, it's not bad.
It's not bad. This guy, I ain't slippers, that's why.
If it's not bad,
See me.
No, no, see me. I'm going to give two.
You don't see me. So I put that in the meat and put the shot, you know.
So what kind of bait you use?
So it's a good guy, squid. I'll just mix it. Good like one squid or so. This is my chat to me just tie up, you know.
Killer money and send out in line there.
First line, is it?
We are catch a queen snapper.
I would have loved that. Queen. And some monster goalie.
Some bunfin.
I'm gonna catch a bunfin.
Eh?
I'm gonna bunfin though.
Let me not tell him. Yeah, man. Put it on the boat seat. Take your time, save on the boat seat. Go near and lift him over now. Yeah. Put him in front of you right outside there, so? Yeah. And then drop the rest of them. And carry rest them over more. Did if you come over more hook. That's right there, so? That's in on that top. Yeah. And pin the rest of my head come down to me. Yeah. Carry them down there, so. Yeah. Carry in your chat. Take in your chat. Carry over same way. One more queens. Drop the high side there, so. Right there, so, man.
Down there. Me no must have to drop queen too.
Job. I think of this now, so I put it here, so. Hold this. Finish the middle of the coffee.
Don't kill the money.
And I like, nice queen.
Yes, my boss.
Yes, you're queen.
Yes, my boss.
Yeah.
Finally get to see a
Finally get to see a queen.
Still alive to say if you ever catch you water and go back down.
A queen a smile?
Yeah. You tell us a 10 pound you catch yourself.
Yes.
Them the one that me share on the igloo are there. You see full the igloo. What me share on my phone.
Yeah.
queen the pandis dead, man.
Yes, sir.
Like that one king.
Queen of the pandis.
See you get a one young queen, yeah?
Nice one. African queen.
Yeah, man. Queen the pandis.
Jump like about queen about it. That would be good.
Yeah, man.
That would be so good.
Queen the pandis. Yeah, man.
And they cut some there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. White. It's the one here. White.
Queen. Queen.
Like one black lady. There's a king in my coming.
Cool and money. Yeah, man.
You done it?
Yeah, next is a queen.
The queen.
Queen.
Hey. Yes, the boss have one.
Yeah, went man.
I know queen, eh? A queen, you want? The shot and go over. Yeah, they have to pin them so slow, so no.
Queen the
Nice
pandis.
one.
Queen.
You give one crowd.
Yeah, man. The queen. Queen. Nice queen, you know? Tree? Oh, the tree come up?
Catch. 5-8 more.
You feel?
When you chop it,
Queen a come.
Definitely not.
Queen a come.
Queen would have more color.
Queen a top man. Queen a top man. Yeah, queen was. Take your time.
yes, my boy.
That you up there. Queen.
Wow.
Next one, hold it. Just put him over right.
Give me more stuff.
So you have it there, right? What up your line?
No, I'm not put your gun, so hold it.
Don't that
Put
one.
them on the
Press it
seat.
on the seat. Press it on the seat. So one next one.
Queen.
Bicycle queen.
Yeah, man.
Bicycle queen.
Nice. Look at. Yes, it.
First time catching up.
And I like.
Oh.
Nice queen, you know.
Shark with the confident queen.
You put that for this one. I'm putting my current run for you.
You ready?
Yeah, man. Knock it down, yeah. Yeah, man. Nice.
Queen!
So real, oh, you can't real have video. It's not joy. Take this over here.
Oh, I feel like that. Yeah, fraud money. Oh, you have a big queen down there. Thank queen then. Have to prove himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ryan, hold him. Where's the pan him, boss? Where's the pan your line?
Queen. Black belly.
Black belly. We call it a black belly.
Hold. Hold him. Nothing to go on for that one, yeah.
Take them off.
But that's so it go.
Final session.
Ryan, I go hold something. What you say? Nothing, my boss. Yeah, man, the queen them
Yeah,
massive.
some and I'm one.
First time I see a queen. It's a great feeling.
See, don't that's a video.
Franny line out the
Oh,
song
yeah,
queen.
Video.
Queen.
Video, one big one to him I look for. I know the other
Grouper.
Video.
Video.
Grouper.
Let me live in that door.
Killer money.
Oh, you mean?
Queen and grouper.
Oh, you mean?
Queen and grouper.
I mean, let that one there. Oh, you mean? Me let the grouper.
Yo, am I so queen that you know? Acha.
This me a talk about.
Why grouper? Boomba money.
Lego all the things.
This me a talk about.
Boomba.
This me a talk about, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yo, and look how we attack boy grouper today.
Take the fish aside here, man.
Look how we attack boy grouper today, dog.
No, no, oh. Oh, you mean? Me like.
Nice them there, no money.
Take up his man and say, hey,
Right.
go far.
What you?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I two of them alone?
The same time.
Yeah.
Brother, bison.
Brother, I tell you, say, you know, feel, you like no feel now, man.
Bison.
Yes, that's how them feel, because them a church go out there, so.
Queen.
Up
Queen.
time.
Queen.
Queen.
Oh, nah. Grouper.
That's why you have to take time when you feel them.
Like your puppy,
If you enjoy hard,
Johnny
you
pop
know
out. Trade.
what you see? Oh, give me a knife, I pop it on. Just like that. Cheerleading, we want another one. High school musical.
Killer money.
My.
Yo, I think understand how big this be, brother. Bison this year. Them are down there, dad.
And I shot it and now, man.
This is fishing.
Yeah. Monster Queen. Gonna pick up now? Where's the group one?
I'm tired.
Bison, them are good.
Scary bastard.
Good.
We don't put it like a TikTok from down here.
Yeah, Afi.
Let me try calm already. I never quite.
Tell him what was the day, right?
Excellent day. Some giant queen snapper.
First time
Snapper.
seeing Queen.
First time I
First time catching
catching
Queen.
a queen. Yeah man. No normal.
Yeah, man. Queen.
I don't know normal.
Normal.
Yeah man. That dream come true.
That was my dream fish to catch. And now we get it. So you know what's next? My is our next target. Stay tuned.
Yeah man. Stay tuned. Hunting, just like, share and subscribe, you know? Yeah man. We're outside, but we are going inside and we're still. That's it. Yeah man.
It's full of people money.
Don't take so long.